place. It's got a little bit of a motocross track we're going to ride the Can-Am on. Alright, we've had this Can-Am Outlander for over a year now. 570 V-twin. I don't know how many miles I have on it. Not that many. I don't know, 455 miles. And I don't know if that's 450 trip miles. I don't know if those are odometer. 400. Is that 136 hours? I don't think those are hours. Trip. 48 hours and 7 minutes. Time, I think it's only 48 hours. So anyhow, I've added this seat to it. It's a black bore box with seat, kind of an extra resting place, but it's been running good. Gotta take it in, get it serviced at 100 hours. So look around. Tim's got these berms set up. This property. It's got the motocross there. It's got all these hills he's built. He got like 60 loads of dirt brought into his property for free. So anyhow, we're gonna ride around, check it out. Gonna have some fun. All right, we'll take some video as we're riding.